Hi guys, today I will show you how can use text formula in Excel. So for text formula, I have made some sample of date and numeric values. So for first example, I have written the text formula and this is making only the day number of date, and this is making 2 digit of day number, and this text formula is making 3 letters of day name, and this is making that all letters of day name, and this is making the month number, and this is making 2 digit month number, this is making 3 letters of month name, and this is making whole name of month name, and this is converting to different date format, and this is converting the time value to a different time format. This is 24-hour format, and for the numeric value I have rounded till to 2 digit after point. So this is using this text formula and rounding till to this is making only 2 digit after point. So by this way you can use text formula in Excel and you can make different format of values. Thanks.